In this video, I'm going to show you how to draft and extrude this component. First, go to Create Sketch, and we are going to begin with the top view. Click this plane. Now go to Create, and you could see slots. Click Center to Center Slot. We are going to design this shape first, and next we are going to go with this shape. So from the axis, it is 30 mm height. You need to point it, and you need to extend the line to 60 mm and draw a radius 15 mm. Here radius is not possible, so we are going to give length of 30 mm to draw the hole. What's the hole? Give 30 mm. Okay. Now we are going to draw another slot. The same points, but radius 30 mm, so we need to give 60 mm. Now we got a shape like this. Now go to lines, and from the corner to this point it is 100 mm. We have radius of 30 mm here, so if we subtract it, we got 70 mm. So we're going to draw a line of 70 mm from this point to 70 mm and just extend. If you draw properly, you could see 120 mm here. It means you have drawn the slot properly with the correct dimension. Now just connect these points. Now we got a shape like this. Now go to dimension and dimension all the points. 60. These 2 points, it's 30, and this is 120. Now slightly tilt the plane. Now go to solids, extrude, click these 2 planes, and we are going to extrude it. Just click OK. We got top view, right? Now we are going to work on top view to get this height of 50 mm. We already know the height of this is 20 mm. We already know we extruded it for 20 mm. So we got this 20 mm. Now we are going to draft another 30 mm. So first go to top view and draw a rectangle of 20 mm. Draw a rectangle of 20 mm and extrude it. Draw a rectangle of 20 mm and go to solid, extrude. Now we are going to extrude it to the top of length 20 mm. Sorry, 30 mm. We are going to extrude it. Now we are going to extrude it for length 30 mm. Just click OK. Now we got a shape like this. Now we are going to work on this plane. So click this plane and create sketch. Now you could see this plane. We are going to work on this. We are going to create another slot, center to center slot. Now just draw a rough slot of length and radius 6. So we are going to give 12. Okay. Now we are going to dimension it. This length should be 80 mm. and the distance within this edge and this point is 20 mm, and this 2 points is 30 mm. Okay, we dimensioned it properly. Now we are going to draw another slot with a radius 20 mm. Go to slots, center slot. With radius 20, so we got distance of 40 mm. If you need dimension, just go and dimension it. 40 mm is 80 already we have done. I think we don't need to dimension it. Just go to solids, and we are going to remove this plane and this plane. Just click the unwanted parts. Go to extrude, click unwanted parts here all together, and here you need to give cut and just pull this arrow right. Just give OK. Now we got the required geometry and the required product. That's all about this video, guys. Just give like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.